15 benefits of mullein tea. What is mullein tea? The leaves of the blooming plant mullein are used to make this caffeine-free herbal tea. You will want to know the 15 benefits of mullein tea. Mullein is a medicinal herb with several health benefits, according to specialists. Let us show you how to create mullein tea at home and what it can do for your health. Herbal medications, whether in the form of a calming tea or a soothing balm, may provide substantial advantages. Mullein has been around for a long time. Its leaves and blooms have traditionally been used to treat a variety of ailments, including cough and other respiratory problems. There are tinctures, teas, pills, and elixirs available. It's usually thought to be safe, with minimal negative effects reported. Mullein oil has traditionally been used to treat earaches and skin disorders. The potential benefits of mullein have been studied. However, the majority of the investigations have been conducted in the laboratory. There isn't enough human research on this herb's medicinal properties. When contemplating herbal supplements like mullein, keep in mind that dietary supplement quality, purity, and potency requirements might vary substantially. Where to buy mullein? You can buy mullein tea bags, vegan mullein capsules, mullein tinctures, and even bulk dried mullein to add to your own herbal tea or bath blends. Here are a few of my favorite mullein products to buy. Frontier Co-op Organic Dried Mullein. Palm Beach Herbal Tea Company Mullein Leaf Tea. Maui Herbs Mullein Leaf Liquid Extract. Maui Herbs Mullein Vegan Capsules. Gaia Herbs Mighty Lungs Blend, Vegan Capsules. Yogi Breathe Deep Herbal Tea Blend. 15 benefits of mullein tea. Mullein tea appears to operate by lowering inflammation and so relaxing the muscles in the respiratory system, according to animal and human study. Other respiratory disorders such as TB, bronchitis, tonsillitis, and pneumonia are treated with the plant's blooms and leaves. 1. Helps to treat respiratory conditions. Mullein tea can aid with a variety of respiratory issues, including colds, coughs, and bronchitis. It can also help with a sore throat. Mullein's antibacterial characteristics may aid in the treatment of respiratory tract irritation and infection. However, more human studies are needed to prove these claims. Shortness of breath, wheezing, and coughing are all symptoms of asthma. Mullein tea may help ease these symptoms. Mullein has expectorant, mucolytic, and demulcent characteristics that help in sputum production. This lowers coughing, aids mucus evacuation, and soothes mucous membrane irritation. Chills and flu, tuberculosis, bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma, tonsillitis, and tracheitis are among the respiratory illnesses treated with its blossoms and leaves. 2. May help fight viral infections. Mullein tea has antiviral properties and may aid in the treatment of viral illnesses. Mullein extracts were found to have antiviral action against the influenza virus in one research. Another study from the National University of Rio Cuarto discovered that mullein methanolic extracts can help fight the pseudorabies virus. Mullein alcoholic extracts were found to have antiviral activity against the pseudorabies virus. However, additional long-term research is needed to fully comprehend mullein's value in humans. 3. Exhibits antibacterial properties. Mullein tea is thought to have antimicrobial qualities. The ethanolic extract of mullein contains antibacterial and antioxidant effects, according to a study done by the Islamic Azad University. They are effective against Bacillus cereus and other germs. Mullein has been used as an effective treatment for infectious disorders since ancient times. Another study from Jundi Shapur University of Medical Sciences discovered that mullein aqueous alcoholic extracts have antibacterial properties. 4. Help relieve issues with sleep. Insomnia is becoming more common among men and women of diverse ages. Mullein tea is a natural sedative that might aid with sleep issues. Mullein has sedative effects in its roots, leaves, and flowers, which can help with sleep problems. Experts believe that this tea contains a chemical that serves as a natural sedative and aids in sleep induction. To fully comprehend this chemical and its mechanism, more research is required. 5. May aid tuberculosis treatment. Mullein has been suggested as a possible treatment for tuberculosis in several research. It may also aid in the treatment of skin problems and leprosy, among other things. More research is needed to determine its potential as a tuberculosis treatment. 6. Improve digestive health. Mullein tea has been shown to aid with a variety of digestive disorders. By cleansing the digestive system, according to experts, drinking this tea after a meal aids digestion and relieves it may help with diarrhea and constipation. It may also aid with gastrointestinal issues and make it easier for your body to expel pollutants. 7. Help soothe skin conditions. Mullein tea has anti-inflammatory qualities that aid in the treatment of skin issues. The oil can also be used to treat a range of skin infections. The tea may aid in the healing of blisters, wounds, and minor cuts. In the case of eczema and other inflammatory skin disorders, mullein flower oil can be administered externally on affected regions. Mullein leaf extract can also be applied topically to sores and wounds. It may have a relaxing impact on the skin, according to anecdotal evidence. 8. Relieve joint pains and muscle spasms. Mullein tea contains a chemical called verbascicide, which has anti-inflammatory and analgesic actions. This substance has been shown to have anti-inflammatory qualities as well as the capacity to relieve muscular and joint pain. The anti-inflammatory qualities of mullein tea may make it perfect for relieving joint discomfort. This herb has anti-inflammatory properties. This herbal tea's antispasmodic properties may aid in the treatment of muscle spasms. 9. May help treat thyroid issues. Mullein tea may help with thyroid disorders, according to anecdotal evidence. The tea may aid in the treatment of a thyroid gland that is hyperactive, a condition called hyperthyroidism. Mullein was one of the ingredients in a recipe created by a famous doctor. This formulation was created with thyroid problems in mind. However, there is a scarcity of study on this topic. More research is needed to prove that mullein tea can help with thyroid problems. 10. May help treat headaches and migraines. For several years, the leaves and fruits of the mullein herb have been successfully used to cure migraines. Mullein herbal extracts may help reduce headaches, according to a study conducted by Abant Izzat Baysel University. 11. Possibly useful for ear infections. Ear infections have been treated using mullein leaves. Those suffering from ear problems should get medical advice before trying the cure. Eardrops containing mullein extracts were found to successfully treat ear infections in 171 youngsters in Tel Aviv University research. 12. May help treat the flu. Mullein has been shown to fight flu-causing viruses in test tubes. However, because the flu can escalate to serious illnesses like pneumonia, it's vital to get medical help if your symptoms do not improve, rather than attempting to self-treat the condition. 13. Great for lung health. Mullein has been demonstrated to help with asthma, TB, coughing, shortness of breath, and decreasing inflammation in the lungs. Mullein is recognized for its expectorant qualities, which help to remove mucus from the lungs. This relieves irradiation in the airways and minimizes coughing. 14. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Mullein has been proven to inhibit germs such as Bacillus cereus, E. coli, and influenza, though additional research is needed. Bacillus cereus is a type of bacteria that can be found in both soil and food. Bacillus cereus is a foodborne toxin-producing bacteria that can induce nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. 15. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. There are numerous distinct verbascum species, and research has shown that many of them contain polyphenols. These chemicals may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Mullein's active chemicals include saponins, which have anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and anti-tumor properties. Flavonoids, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities from a reliable source. Phenylethanoids, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiviral glycosides. Iridoids. If you want to learn how to prepare mullein tea, check out the recipe below. You can use dried or fresh leaves to make the tea. Mullein tea recipe. For your tea, you will need mullein leaves, dried. 1 cup of water. Sweetener to taste. How to make mullein tea. 1. In a cup, 240 milliliters of boiling water, add a small handful of dried leaves. 2. 15 to 30 minutes of steeping. 3. Remove as many leaves as possible with a colander or cheesecloth to avoid throat irritation. 4. Add your favorite sweetener to taste. The average cup of tea contains only 2 calories and 1 gram of carbs. Adding milk, lemon, or sugar, on the other hand, alters the nutritious profile. 1 teaspoon of sugar, for example, contains 16 calories and 4 grams of carbs. For a low-calorie option, try stevia or monk fruit. How to use herbs safely. When purchasing herbal items, keep the following safety tips in mind. To avoid potential interactions or unpleasant reactions, consult your doctor or pharmacist before purchasing a herbal product. Look for brands that have the CGMP, Current Good Manufacturing Practice, and USP, United States Pharmacopoeia Convention, quality seals. Check with the manufacturer about the safety and quality of the ingredients. Sometimes dangerous substances, such as heavy metals like lead, arsenic, or mercury, are found in herbal remedies. This is especially true of supplements manufactured in countries with looser regulations or by unscrupulous companies.